My bed is a boat. Time to warm up. The memories of childhood have their own kind of nostalgia. With the passage of time, one feels more attached to this childhood, the best period of a man's life. A child has no worries, anxieties, and no work. He is free from the dirty and filthy noises of the world. His motto of life remains, eat, drink, and be merry. The charm of childhood cannot be forgotten. These memories have everlasting impression on one's life. Time to recite. My bed is like a little boat. Nurse helps me in when I embark. She grids me in my sailor's coat and starts me in the dark. At night I go on board and say, good night to all my friends on shore. I shut my eyes and sail away, and see and hear no more. And sometimes things to bed I take, a prudent sailors have to do. Perhaps a slice of wedding cake, perhaps a toy or two. All night across the dark we steer, but when the day returns at last, safe in my room beside the fire, I find my vessel fast.